Display junction presents 3 by 3 meter portable backdrop with shelf. It is easy to install and carry. We sell it in a durable heavy-duty convertible podium-type wheel case. What you see here is a folded 3 by 3 meter magnetic pop-up stand. Look for sticker indicating top side. Keep the stand horizontal as shown with top side upwards. And using both hands, hold upper part of the stand and lift it gradually to fully extend it in width as well as height. Once the stand is fully open, use vertical meg bars. It is bar with a triangular plastic on top side and a square plastic at its bottom. 18 to 24 such bars would be provided with the kit. Start with left side and insert triangle in the top connector. At the same time insert the metallic stud on the second main connector. And lock it by pressing and simultaneously pushing towards left side till it is locked. Do so with all 12 bars provided for front. Now look for horizontal meg bars. These are broader box type bars with round pencil-like plastic attachment on both sides. Use white ones for top and bottom of shelf area and black for the rest of the stand. Now go to back side of the magnetic pop-up stand and fix all 3 vertical meg bars on the left and right side and 3 white vertical meg bars for the shelf area. Insert white horizontal meg bars only for the top and bottom side of the shelf portion. Once all meg bars have been fixed and stand at its full extension, take stabilizing foot brackets and fix it to the left and right side of the pop-up stand by inserting its pins into the holes you see in the square plastic of the both last left and right side meg bars. Insert in both front and back side meg bar square plastic as shown here. Now we are ready to add shelf system to the pop-up stand. Before that, take backdrop graphic and attach on the back side as demonstrated here. It is easy to use as magnet stick to meg bars. Make sure horizontal double row of the magnet is kept in top side to give better grip to the backdrop. Once backdrop has been securely attached, keep bottom part of the shelf, centering it on the horizontal meg bars, keeping desired color of the ACP sheet facing top side. After this, add left and right side of the vertical walls, keeping plain side on down side. Also look for mild steel strips and keep it always facing you towards front side, as magnetic LED lights attached to these strips. Vertical walls are magnetic as well. You can feel it attaching itself to the sides of vertical meg bars. Now we attach shelf holder to both right and left